Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 4th of August, back in Taranaki. Good to be back in my bed last night. Slept a little bit better at home, but it is mighty cold down here compared to Auckland, that's for real. Just getting organised now. I'm going out on the farm with the neighbour. He's going away for a holiday and we're going to do some farm work for him while he's away. So I've now got to go and learn what I need to do while he's out. I am getting rugged up though because it is cold and I'm not used to this. It's going to be a shock to the system. Right, get some gloves, hats, and get organised. And I'm back. Successful morning out moving cows with the neighbour. Think I know what we're doing while they're away, but I'm going to go again tomorrow just to make sure. Just in time for lunch. That was great timing.
Was on your behalf.
Right, outside for lunch in the sunshine, but we've still got a little bit, even though it's just clouded over.
Yeah.
Is it warm out there?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, it's really nice.
It's just the wind's just starting to pick up there. It's weird how it's so nice and still in the morning and then just at lunchtime it just goes downhill from there.
I know, and I was contemplating whether I should whip around with the lawnmower this afternoon. More just to keep the battery going on the lawnmower than actually mow the lawns.
Wow, it's getting a little bit long.
It is, isn't it?
It's like some thick, tough grass.
Yeah, just tidy it up and keep the battery going. Right, lunch, what have we got on these? Chicken?
Salad.
Looks good to me.
And fresh tomato.
What are you making, Finn? Oh, Colton's playing Xbox.
I'm surprised these birds aren't scared of me.
Why aren't you at school?
I'm sick.
Well, that was a good lunch. Filled the gap. Sun is back out. A little bit breezy out there though. Got quite cold for a while. Bit of a change of plans this afternoon. Just got a phone call for a transfer at 3:30, so that's my plan there. I'm going to head out now, quickly mow the lawns, give the lawnmower a run, charge the battery for a bit. Heading into town now to do my transfer. I'm just going to grab the filter out for Leone before I go. Cameras organised, ready to go. Cool. I need the ladder and I need some pliers to cut the cable ties.
Oh, yeah, you got it.
The filter's not as bad as last time we cleaned it.
Oh.
Well, never mind about that. The filter is still full of water. It's still draining, so I can't get that out yet. Hopefully by the time I get back, it's either drained or Leone's got it out, so I can sort it when I get back. Never mind, off to town for a transfer.
That's right, coming more alive through the night, playing by the rules, but I'll fight for the crown. I want it now. I can feel it to touch. Nothing gonna stand in my way.
Well, I've just arrived in Stratford, made pretty good time. Got to pick our client up in about 5 minutes, so perfect timing. A little bit chillier in town, dropped about 3 degrees on the way in. Never mind, at least we're in the car with the heater on.
Ready, put your bets on the line, throw it down. I want the crown. Baby, nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you to. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know
We're at the supermarket, everything's going well. He's got most of his supplies, just getting a few groceries now. Drop them off back at home, then I'm meeting Kira and Riley in town somewhere to take them home. They're not going on the bus tonight. Perfect timing so far. Transfers are done. Heading in the supermarket now to get our few groceries. Right, supermarket is done, Stratford is done, time to head home. Let's get out of here. I know We are back. Get this car unloaded, get inside. A couple of arm loads should get it. Let this filter out now before it gets cold, because I need coffee. And I don't want to sit down and have a coffee because then I won't get moving again. Right, some scudge out of this, see what's in it. What?
It's black. Ew.
It's all leaves.
Did you have to do that on the lawn?
That's good though, it stopped it going into the tank.
Right, I'll get the water blaster while you sort that out.
You're going to water blast it now?
What do you mean?
I was going to leave it overnight.
I thought you said you wanted it water blasted now so you can
No.
put it back in the tank.
No, I just wanted to get it out now so we can turn that back on so it keeps filling.
Oh, sweet, yeah, enough. Oh, I thought you wanted me to water blast it now. That's why I thought you wanted it water blasted so you could turn the tap back on and have it going through the filter. Shut the door, shut the door.
Walking past the door before I shut it. No, I just wanted it out of the way while it was empty so I could turn the tap back on. So otherwise it'd just be full of water again by the morning. Right, cup of coffee time. Not water blasting it now, it's freezing. Well, you're welcome to water blast it now if you want.